All right, the drink we're about to make is called cherry pie. And we're going to serve it up in a martini glass, so put some water and ice in there and let it sit while you're making your drink. That'll get it nice and chilled for you. Okay, put your ice in a mixing glass, and we'll measure out 1.5 ounces of vodka. And follow that up with 1/2 ounce of cherry brandy and 1/2 ounce of brandy. Okay. Go and grab your shaker. Give it a good shake. You want to get it nice and cold. And your glass should be well chilled by now. Let's go ahead and pour it in. There we go. And we'll garnish it with a cherry. And that's it. Cherry pie, bottoms up.